New footage displays the capabilities and potential of a cardboard drone used by Ukrainian forces for strikes within Russia. Named Corvo drones, they are produced by the Australian SYPAQ company and were associated with a recent attack on a Russian airfield in Kursk. To showcase its destructive capabilities, a video was uploaded by Ukrainian journalist Yuri Butusov. The video shows the drone detonating over a dummy target, releasing numerous projectiles. Although these projectiles may not be too effective against tanks, soldiers, and artillery, it's potentially lethal to delicate military equipment such as aircraft, radar systems, and air defense batteries. Due to their mostly cardboard build, these drones are seemingly undetectable by Russian radar. Initial reports link the drones to an August 2023 airfield strike in Kursk, which is about 65 miles from Ukraine's northwest border. The Ukrainian Security Service, SBU, praised the operation, stating that the attack damaged several aircraft and missile systems. Reports suggest 16 UAVs participated in the strike, with 3 being intercepted. The Ukrainian ambassador to Australia confirmed the use of these Australian cardboard drones in attacks on Russian facilities. SYPAQ's deal with the Australian government involved the production of the Corvo drone system for Ukraine, valued at $700,000. Although initially designed for surveillance, Ukraine seems to have repurposed the Corvo drone for offensive operations. This ability to be undetectable by radar may yet again prove another valuable capability of utilizing drones in warfare. That's it for today. Remember to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest AI+ military developments.